Assalamu alaikum children. Now we have reached our B part of lesson 2, Mufradat Jadida. So Mufradat means singulars, but when we will say Mufradat Jadida, so it could be new vocabulary or new singulars. Okay, Odras, read. Here are some words: Hatif, telephone; Shalal, waterfall; Mira, mirror; Maqad, chair, sofa, seat, couch, or just we say to anus also, and we say to the washroom seat also maqad. Okay. Now here are the words which we have to use in sentences. Khal. Khal means, as I told you, uncle, but it is the maternal uncle, means your mother's brother. Akhu al-am. See, Akhu al-amma, mother's brother. Now al-ghalam. We say that ghalam to the who works with you and remains always. It was the before ghulam were using, so but now they call the servant. They have the rights, they have this timetable, they have the salaries and all these things. So ghulam, it is that one. So lad or youth or a small boy, it is al-walad al-saghir, means al-walad the boy, saghir means a small boy. Muftaras means predator. Al-hawan al-lazi yakul al-laham al-insan, the animals that eats the human flesh. Hawan, animals, al-lazi, which or who, yakul, eats, laham, meat, insan, human. Al-asad, hawan al-muftaras, the lion is the predator. Now mulawwan means colorful, which have many colors. Bihi alwan kasira, with many colors. They are describing mulawwan. Everywhere they are describing. Fustan al bint mulawwanun. Mulawwanan. Girl's dress is colorful. Fustan, dress also, and frock also we says to the fustan. Okay. Marihun, convenient and comfortable. Haza al-miqadu marihun, this seat is comfortable. Haza means this, miqad seat, marihun comfortable. Yastarihun al-jism fihi, body rest in it or in this. Fihi, in it or in this. One thing left here. Yaltaqat ad-dajajul habba. Okay, chickens baking the grains, or chicken picking up the grains. It was see hens. Now bakir means early or premature. Yazabu al-rajulu ili amlihi fi sabahil bakir. Okay. Yazhabu, the man goes to his work early in the morning. So sabah, fi sabah, bakir, early in the morning. Fi sabah, bakir, early in the morning. Amlihi, his work. Ili, to rajul, man. Yazhab, he goes. Fi saa khamisa sabahan, in 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, Bakrin, like 5 o'clock in the morning, or in the 5 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning, like we can finish it 5 o'clock in the morning. Misal means similar or like, or as this. look like similar. So Zainabu Mohandisa. Zainab is an engineer. Mohandisa or Mohandis, engineer. Mohandisa because this is using for the girls, for the feminine noun, so that's why we are using the Mohandisa. Walayla Mohandisatun mislu Zainab, and Layla is also engineer like Zainab. Walayla Mohandisatun also is it not there, but when we will read, when we will write in proper English, so we will say and Layla is also engineer like Zainab. Okay. Now mushahida, watching or seeing or viewing or observing. So يريد طارق مشاهدة المباراة في التلفزيون. Tariq want to watch the match or the competition in the TV. Yurid, need, he needs. Tariq, name, mushahida, to watch. Mubarra, match or competition. Fi, in, television, TV, television. An yushahidu al-mubarra, to see or to watch the game or match. An means to. Yushahida, he want. Bakhair means good or safe. Taraka Salman al-Mushtashfa Amsi wa huwa lan bakhair. Sulaiman yesterday left the hospital and now he is good. Taraka means left. Salman, naam. This is the name. Mushtashfa, this is the hospital. Ams means yesterday. Wa and huwa, he, alan, now, bakhair means safe or good. Laisa marizan, he is not the patient. Laisa means he is not. Aizan means also. Al-tufa lazizun wal inab lazizun aizan. Tufa means apple, laziz tasty, wa and inab, al-inab the grapes, lazizun izan. Apple is tasty and the grapes also tasty. This is the lal, perhaps or maybe. Lalla al-ab qadimun, perhaps father walking. Qadim means walking, perhaps, maybe. Antazar lalla al-hafila tasilu ba'd al-qalil. Wait, maybe bus reaching after some time or after a short while. Antazar means wait. Lalla, maybe. Al-hafila means bus. Tasilu, reaching. Ba'd qalil, after some time. Arju, I hope or I wish. Arju an tazurni gadan fil bayt. I hope you will visit tomorrow to my school. Arju, I hope, and that or to. Tazwarni, you will visit. Gadan means tomorrow. See, here came means yesterday. This is the gadan, tomorrow. Fil bayti, in my house. Ta'akhar, yata'akhar, late, and he is late. Ta'akharat al-hafila kasira. See, ta'akharat they are using here because hafla is the feminine noun and ta marbuta also coming in the last. As I told you, the words which are having ta marbuta in the last 99% they are feminine noun. So because of the feminine noun, they are using the making the feminine noun also to this by using ta. Not they are writing only ta'akhur or yata'akhur. They are using ta'akharat. The ta'akharat hafilatun kasira. The bus was very much late or the bus delayed much. Fasar rajulul alil aqdam. The man walked So the man walked, or then the man walked on his feet. Fasar, sar. This is the sar only. So Sin alif ra. Fa here using then or so. Lam tahzal fil waqti al munasib. He did not reach on time or in time. Tahzur means reached. He reached. Lam did not. Fi in waqt time, munasib proper time. Astaqbal means he received. Yastaqbal he received. Zahaba Salin il matar. Wastaqbal walidahu allazi kana musafirun. Saleh went to the airport and received to his father who was travelling. Zahaba went. Saleh is the name. Ili to matar airport. Wa and istaqbala received. Walidahu his father. Allazi who kana was musafiran travelling. Qabla walidahu. Qabla means saw. Walidahu his father. So he saw his father, or he saw to his father. Mukalama conversation. Okay. Mukalama conversation. Al kalamu fil hatif. Conversation or talk on telephone. Hatif telephone. Kalam means talk or conversation or speech. Talabtu mukalama hatifatihi hatifiya ilil baladi. I asked or request or demand a phone call to my country. Ili baladi, to my country. Hatifiya means telephonic. Mukalama conversation or call or speak. Talabtu demanded or I asked. This is the page number itnash. 12 page number. So now we read the next page. Istiab means intake or capacity. Hal tatazakkar al-hawar. Do you remember the dialogues? Tatazakkar. This is the do you. Hal means do. Tatazakkar remember. Do you remember al-hawar the dialogue? Or do you describe the dialogue? Both can come. Tatazakkar, you describe. Or you remember or you describe. Man qala haza al-kalama. Who said these words? Okay. These words or speech. Iktab al-ism tahtul raqam munasiba. Write the name under the proper number. Iktab write ism name tahat under raqam number munasib proper. Nasitu ala tasveer fil bayt. I forget the camera at home. Fil bayt in the home or at home. Ala tasveer camera. Nasit I forget. Who said? We have to write it here. These are written here. See, say who said, Amin said, or who said? Nada said. So easily you can ask, say this is the Nada said, because she was talking with the Nada and she said that I forget. Here Hanaka. Okay. Hanaka Shallat Jamila Wahiya Tastahiqu al Mushahida. There were beautiful waterfalls and worth of seeing. Who said this? So you can write the name here. If you will read the lesson, it is very easy. You have to write only in the name. This in front of this Nada said or the Amin said or Mama said. These fil ghaba hawanat muftarisa. In the jungle there are predator animals. See, ghaba means jungle, hawanat animals, muftarisa predators. So who said this? This is the, maybe I am not telling you, said. Oh, Mama, Alum said, Nada said, Amin said. But 100% said. Okay. Here I forget to tell you, Shallat waterfall, Hunak there, Jamila beautiful, here because of the feminine noun, because Shallat Jamila they are saying. So here these tastahiq, deserve to see. Okay, deserve of worth of seeing. Mushahida, seeing or watching. Tanawal futuran khafifan fil bayt khali. We ate little breakfast at our mamu or uncle, maternal uncle. Who said this? This bayt khafifan means little or small. Futur, breakfast. Tanawul, we ate. So Amin said this. Indama nazartu ili wajhi fil mirror. Zahiktu kasiran. When I saw my face in the mirror, I laughed very much. Zahiktu, I laughed. Kasiran, very much. Mirror, mirror. Wajhi, my face. Ili, to. Nazartu, we saw. Indama, saw. Nazartu. Indama, when. So this Amin was talking that time, so Amin said that time. Al-Makan Huna Jamilun Jiddan. Here are very good or very beautiful places. Makan here, not the Makan that in Urdu or Hindi we use Makan. That is, Makan means place. Okay. Only here you have to write here. All 6. Ajab, answer. So Ajab, answer. Ma man yatakallamu Amin wa Nada. Amin and Nada with who were talking. Ma means with. Man, who. Yatakallam, they were talking. Amin wa Nada. So with who they were talking will with mother they were talking. Number 2, Lizama Safiran, Limaza Safiran, Ilil Khalihima. Why they went or traveled to their uncle. Uncle, you know, maternal uncle or mamu. Why they went to maternal uncle, or why they traveled to mamu. For what? The answer what will be? Lishahid al-manazir fil Madina. For looking or for seeing the sight scenes in the city. Lishahid, manazir means sight scenes or scenes, we can say. This lishahid, for looking. Manazir fil Madina, in the city. Mata waslan ilal matar. When they reached at the airport. Mata means when. Waslan, reached. Ili, at. Matar, airport. So what is the answer? At 5 o'clock. Fi sa khamisa. At 5 o'clock. Number 4. Maza labisan indama zahaban ilil shallat. Ilish shallat. See here, sheen is the sun letter, so we will read this ilish shallat. Limaza, for what or why. Now maza, why they wear or wore. Okay. When they were going to the waterfalls. Because I translated according to it, as most 90% I have translated according to the kitaba, whatever means whatever is written according to the sentence, not according to the English sentence, according to the Arabic sentence. Maza means what they or what. Libasan, labasan, they were. Indama, when. Zahaban, going or went. Ili shallat, ذهبا. We will use going or went. What they wear or wore when they were going or when they went to the waterfalls. Or limaza, for what or why. So why they wear? What they wear? Malabis saqira, heavy clothes, or the warm. Okay, maslan, or the warm clothes. Maslan means like. Motafin means coats, lil matar, for the rain. Wa hazain, zakhmain, wa big shoes or huge shoes. Wa qubatain kabiratain, and this what it? Big hats. Quba means hat. Kabiratain, big. So heavy clothes like coats for rain and huge shoes and big hats. Okay. Limaza, why, or for what? Lil matar, for the rain. They wore these things. Now, limaza talabtu al an taltaqat nada ba'z sur. Why mom said to Nada to take some picture. So limaza, why? Talabtu, asked. Why mom asked or said. Mother, and to talaqt means to take. Nada, name, baz, some, asur, photos or images or pictures. Okay. Now limaza qalat nida li ummaha sayakhuzu khali banduqiya. Why the Nada said to her mom. This said I forget to write. Said is there. Why said Nada to her mom? Okay, why said Nada to her mom? Sayakhuzu khali banduqiya. See, I told you before also, when we are using before the verb seen, so it means will. Will take. Khali, our khali means our uncle. Banduqiyatuhu, his gun. Our uncle will take or will carry his gun. Fil ghaba, answer is fil ghaba haywanatun muftarasatun misal al asad wa nimar. So in the jungle there are predators, animal like lion, tiger and bear, and dub. You can write al dub because I wrote here bear, so ad-dub wa ad-dub, so it will be complete. Next exercise, tartib al ahdas. Ahdas means events. Okay, hadis or event, and ahdas, this is the plural, that's why events. Arrange the events. Ratab al ahdas al taliya hasba wa radiha fil al hawar wa iktab raqam munasaba fil daira. Okay, fil daira. Arrange the following events as they appear in the dialogue and write the proper number in the circle. Daira means circle, munasib proper, raqam number, iktab write, hawa dialogue, fi in, wa radiha means arrange. Okay, hasab means, taliya means following, ratab means arrange, arrange events, following events, hasb were there according to their appear. Okay, or as they appear, hasb were there as they appear. So here we have to write the numbers here, because before number, as you know in your book, there are no number. So what events happened first, second, third, fourth, fifth, we have to give the number to them. So Mushahida al-Shallat, they saw the waterfalls. Amin وَالنَّدَى يَذْهَبَانِ إِلَى الْغَابَةِ Amin and Nada went to the jungle. يَذْهَبَانِ they are using because they are two persons. الطائرة تصل في الساعة 5 مساء evening. Okay, تصل means reached. Airplane reached at 5 p.m. in the evening. Amin wa Nada yatakallamani ma ummaha bil hatif. Ummaha means their mother. Amin and Nada talk or talking on the phone with their mother. Again yatakallaman it is coming because of two persons. Al khalu yastaqbal Aminan wa Nada fil matar. Yastaqbal he received or he welcomed. The uncle welcome to Amin and Nada at the airport. Amin wa Nada yusafiran bil taira. Amin and Nada travel with the airplane. So this is the first and this is the second. They reached there and this is the third. Khal came to receive them. Third, and this is the fourth. They saw the this shallat. This is the 5. They were talking with their mother. And number 6, and they went to see the jungle. So now this is the 13 page number. So our B part of page chapter 2 has finished, has completed. Okay, bye bye.